Waterfall. A river that falls down from a cliff, rock, etc. Cliff. A high, very steep area of rock, especially one next to the sea. Island. A piece of land that is surrounded by water. Volcano. A mountain with a hole at the top which steam, lava, fire, etc. Desert. A large area of land, covered with sand, that is hot. Lake. A large area of water that is surrounded by land. Beach. An area of sand or small stones beside the sea. Valley. The lowland between two mountains, which often has a river flowing through it. Pond. Area of water that is smaller than a lake. Dam. A wall built across a river to hold back the water and form a lake. Bridge. A structure that carries a road or railway across a river, valley, road or railway. Path. A way across a piece of land that used by people walking. River. A large, natural flow of water that goes across land and into the sea. Road. Way between places, with a hard surface which cars, buses, etc. Coast. The area of land that is close to the sea. Forest. A large area of land covered with trees. Ocean. Water that covers most of the surface of the earth. Meadow. A field of grass. Mountain. A very high hill. Glacier. A mass of ice that moves slowly down. Crater. A large hole in the ground. Wetland. Area of land that is either covered by water or saturated with water. Rainforest. A thick forest in tropical parts of the world that have a lot of rain. Coral reef. Coral reefs are the colonies of tiny living creatures that are found in oceans. Savanna. A wide flat open area of land that is covered with grass but has few trees. Dune. A low hill of sand by the sea or in the desert. Sunrise. The time when the sun comes up in the morning. Canyon. A deep valley with very steep sides. Marsh. An area of soft wet land. Sunset. The time when the sun goes down in the evening. Field. Area of land for playing games, surrounded by fences or walls.